Hello and welcome to this brief Long Island weather update, Saturday night edition. Long Island weather report. Just going to cover the snowfall that we had. Yes, we had some snowfall today. Yeah, we're going to get right to that. That's the first thing we're going to look at, these snowfall reports. Not a tremendous amount, but it overperformed in some areas. Connecticut, some parts of Fairfield County, over 2 inches. In northern New Jersey, Bergen County got 4.3 inches up there. Essex County, 4.5 inches. So that area, Passaic, they got a little more snow. Union County, also 4 inches. And in the city, in the city, they got a couple of inches. Mott Haven in the Bronx, 2 inches. Brooklyn, over 2 inches. And Nassau County, Franklin Square, 3.3 inches. So we did overperform here in Nassau County. Herrick's 2.7 inches. Levittown, 2.1 inches. A few inches from Nassau County. Central Park got 1.8 inches. And going into Suffolk County, you'll see Islip got 2.8 inches. Comac got 2 inches. Islip Airport got 2 inches. 1 to 2 inches. And as we head out toward the Pine Barrens, it's a little less out there. Upton saying only 0.9 inches. Coram got 0.8 inches. So, yeah, the Pine Barrens did not get quite as much snow, unfortunately. It looks like it was mainly the western parts of Long Island that got into this, so wherever the best banding was. And I think the same can be said for New Jersey as well if we look at these snowfall reports. Let's see if we can find them. I think they posted a link to them here. Let's see. Now today is the first day of astronomical winter too, by the way. All right. I tried to click that link. Let's try it again. There we go. So this is the link for the Mount Holly office. Let's see if Ocean County got anything here. Burlington County, some inland areas in Burlington County got some snow. Hunterdon County, yeah, that's west central New Jersey, up to 5 inches there. Middlesex County, Metuchen got 4 inches. Edison got 2.6, 2 inches in Old Bridge. In Monmouth County, Tinton Falls got 2.5 inches. Freehold, 2 inches. Morris County also getting 5 inches of snow there. In Ocean County, Jackson Township got 3 inches. Beechwood, though, as you head toward the coast, a lot less, 0.5 inches. So, again, it was interior areas of the Pine Barrens that wound up getting the higher amounts. Not so much, at least some parts of the New Jersey pinelands got snow. But for us, I'll show you what it looked like. Only in Deer Park here. And, yeah, there was some snow on the trees there because that's in the western part of the Pine Barrens here on Long Island. And, yep, snow on the ground here at Southard's Lake. And, yeah, very pretty looking scene. It turned colder tonight. You had that blustery wind kick in. Temperatures dropped into the 20s, low 20s, and into the teens. I guess we'll be in the teens soon. We'll check the observations in a moment. You can see pretty night out there. A pretty night. So let's go look at the latest conditions we got outside right now. And we are still at 23 degrees, so we still haven't dropped. Hang on a minute. We got to refresh this. This is not current. It automatically refreshes, but I guess not. That was a while ago. So we're down to 21 degrees now at Islip. Still not in the teens. I thought we would be in the teens by now, but northwest wind of 14 gusting to 22. The dew point is 8. So we got that Arctic air is now in place. No radiational cooling tonight, but I see it's 19 in the Pine Barrens west of Tom's River. So a little bit colder in Jersey, not surprisingly. So let's go look at our highs and lows for the day. And you'll see here, yeah, these highs were probably earlier on, the mid-30s, and the lows are probably the current temperatures, so I probably shouldn't even bother looking at the highs and the lows. Let's go take a look at what we have in store for tomorrow, off to the HRRR. So let's go to the 0Z HRRR, and obviously no precipitation. I got that high that's going to be sliding by to the north. Right on top of us on Monday before it starts moving offshore. So we'll take a look at some soundings here. Well, 17Z right at noon. Let's try the Long Island Pine Barrens first. These lines look pretty far apart, so that indicates a clear sky. Let's try New Jersey. also pretty far apart. So I think we're going to have a nice clear day tomorrow. Shouldn't be much in the way of any clouds. Looks pretty good. This is a little bit later. I could see a little bit more upper level moisture. This is 20Z tomorrow. A little less of it over New Jersey. I tend to think there might be some ocean effect cloudiness and snow showers, perhaps. Probably not a flurry, but some ocean effect clouds that you might get across Suffolk County because of the difference between the water temperatures and the. If we were to look at the, I don't think we have a site that would actually give us a water temperature here, but I'm sure that these water temperatures are up there. None of these sites are going to give us water temperatures, though. I'm sure that they are. If you look at the water temperature over the ocean, the water temperature is 49. Wow. So, yeah, that's a big difference between the air. So that's going to generate some clouds, I think, on Long Island. At least there could be some. Back to the models. All right, so we're clear, and then tomorrow night we'll have clear skies as well. Now, Monday is the question mark where we might start dealing with some upper-level moisture coming in. And we'll talk about that more, I think, tomorrow night. I'm going to skip the weather report on Saturday, but because it is so cold. So these are the dew points, and you can see we get into the real heart of the air starting late tonight into tomorrow. Dew points could be below zero, particularly on Long Island, according to the HRRR, and then we stay in that dry air for Monday. The air mass doesn't change too much, but the winds do become light to the northeast, so tomorrow we'll have a northwest flow, and then they become north tomorrow night, and then northeasterly Monday, and then they start shifting to the southwest later on Monday. So, like I said, it's a short-lived cold air mass. Temperatures tonight, not going to get radiational cooling, but I still think we'll be down into the teens by the morning, and tomorrow we will struggle to get up into the mid-20s despite plenty of sun. Tomorrow night is going to be very cold. Tomorrow night, we're going to see single digits in a lot of areas tomorrow night, and the Pine Barrens could get below zero, perhaps. So tomorrow night is going to be a very cold night. And then for Monday, we recover. We recover in a little bit toward the upper 20s. Let's go to the RGM. Let's look at the skies. So here's the skies, and you'll see here that, again, fairly clear skies again. Not really showing much in the way of clouds. The clouds kind of stay kind of on the offshore. And then for Monday, it looks like hopefully maybe we can avoid. It'll all depend on how much of that cirrus stuff we have, but I'm just talking about tomorrow. But tomorrow is going to be very cold, so the coldest day yet in this Arctic air. Savor it, because this Arctic air is going to be heading on out of here, and temperatures will be going up, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it. If you like the warmth, I like it cold. Have a good night.